everyone, today we'll be making a trailer for this mower. We'll need 4 wheels, 4 of these axles. We have a few nails and then 2 blocks for the sides of this little flatbed. Then the sides of the flatbed connect to these things. The tools we'll need is a hammer, and we'll have some glue. Let's get started. First, we're gonna put the nails on this bed. We'll need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 nails.
All right, put them in.
Let's get started.
Put them in.
Get a hammer. Get a hammer like this. Start putting it in.
They're pretty. The holes are pretty big, Peter. You don't need the hammer for this stuff. Okay, they fit right in.
Yep. Right in. Glad you made them a little deep.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here's your axe.
Now how about we use a little tap? Okay. Whoops, two fell out.
I can't find the other one.
That's okay, we have spares.
Yeah, look at.
Put it over the hole. Give it a little tap. Over the hole. Give it a little tap. Little tap. I guess we can get them through now. So we'll just push them through. Okay.
Yeah.
This one needs a little tap.
Let me put this back in.
Okay. Just put it over the hole. A little tap. Yeah, but we don't want them all the way down. Okay, now. Okay. Now we're just gonna. There. All right, now.
It almost looks like a table.
Yeah, it does. All right, what are we gonna do first?
We're gonna put these on.
Okay.
We're gonna first put these on because they look easier.
Okay, so we're gonna put. What are we gonna do with these?
So we're gonna put it on this side. I'm
Okay.
guessing.
Put it on. Line up the holes. Okay, here.
Oh, one nail fell
Yeah,
out.
I know. How about we do it this way? Look where the holes are. Put it on. Okay, now it's on.
Now we'll need to tap them.
Hang on. Before you tap them, put this underneath as a spacer. Okay?
Yeah.
Now get your hammer and tap them in. Alright, tap the other one in. Alright, now let's do this one before we go all the way. Okay? Let's put a little bit of glue on it. Okay. Now we're going to line up the holes, right?
Yep.
I'm going to put it on like that.
And
then you're going to tap them in. Alright, go ahead. Do the other one.
oh no,
What's wrong?
it's getting inside more.
Alright, do those now. Finish those off. Okay, now we're going to do the other ones.
Yeah, let's clear out all that.
Yeah, let's do this. Put a little glue on it.
Yep.
Now let's see if we can line up the holes.
This is where we got the fail.
Okay.
A little hard, I shouldn't.
Yeah, because you put the ones on the ends first, okay? So, why don't we just put this one on at the same time, shall we?
Yeah, shall we? Everyone,
here.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please put the thumbs up if you like the video or subscribe. I'm making a list.
There you go.
Now let's tap them in.
Yeah. Keep going. Okay.
to clear out that.
Get all the nails in, sweetie.
I got the nails
No,
in.
no, they're not all in. Get them all in. Peter, when you hammer, don't hit like this. Hit flat on the nail. Here, let me finish it. Okay, what do we got?
Next, the favorite thing we want
Do
to.
we want to put those on next, or do we want to put this on next?
Yeah, we should put these on next.
Okay.
First, let's get the mower and let's put on this.
Well, no, actually, let's just lightly put these in so we can figure out the height, okay?
Yes.
We don't want to put them in all the way at the moment. So we can figure out the height to put that thing at.
Yeah. I like it now with the wheels on.
Okay, so now we got that, and then we're going to put this like this, right?
Yeah.
So let's see, if we put this on here like so, how high will that be good enough? That should be good enough, right?
Let's see. Let me get this in.
No, we got to raise it up higher.
Yeah, lower it down.
No, we really can't lower it. We got to go to there.
We can't raise it up higher because these nails right here.
Well, that's a problem, isn't it?
Yes.
I guess we're gonna have to put it over the nails. Maybe we'll put it up like. Let's see, what should we do there? This side's a little more even, so maybe let's go like this. How's that? Does that solve our problem?
Yeah.
Okay, so then let's put this, we're gonna put this on here.
Yep.
Okay, so,
Well,
so let's figure out the middle of this, shall we?
yes. That's my dad's caliper. It's called a caliper. My dad uses it at the mill and lathe a lot.
So we've got, what do we got in there? What's that number?
2,
No, it's not 2.
5, 1, 6, 3.
Okay, 5163. So we'll take our calculator. So that's what number?
2, 5, 8, 15.
Good. So we'll put it on here. Okay. And then let's measure the middle, huh? Got the middle. Now, we're gonna put this on, right?
Mhm.
So we're
Yeah.
gonna put that in the middle, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna get,
Everyone, please, can you just like this video?
yeah, you already asked that, Peter.
And
I have
just
to keep
download
asking
them
you.
again.
Yeah, it's okay, you don't
Because
have to
if
keep
they
asking.
forget about.
Yeah, well, if they forget, they forget. There you go. Okay, we got that, right?
Yep, we got holes. Yeah. So let's see if the nails.
No, we're not gonna use nails.
No, it's the fitted.
No, we're not gonna use nails, Peter.
We're gonna use screws.
Yes.
Wood screws.
Yep. Take the wheels off now. Okay.
I love
There's our marks.
woodworking.
Okay, now we gotta put holes in these somehow.
Yep.
How are we gonna do that?
Can these fit? Nope. These can't fit, Daddy.
Can't fit where? Yeah, we'll worry about that later. One thing at a time. We gotta drill some holes here, right?
Yep. Driller. That's my dad's driller.
Okay, I'll do this, okay?
Yes, you can. I'll be talking. Hey, that's a little scary.
Okay?
Don't. I hope. Can I see it? Oh, I can see the holes.
Yeah, it went through. That's okay. These are gonna go through too. So let's take the ends off these, okay?
Yeah.
First, let's put them in and get them started, and then we'll take the ends off so they don't stick through. Oh, actually, they won't stick through once we're through here, though, will they? Nah, we'll be good. Okay, we need to drill this a little bigger, like you brought up, right?
Yep. Standing.
Okay, is that hole big enough now?
Let's see. And yes.
Okay, you want to try to put this on?
Yes.
Okay, so let's get you a screwdriver. That fits a little better. Where's the other screw? Right here.
Thanks. Daddy, that's the wrong, Daddy.
Oh. You're right. No wonder the holes didn't line up. Okay, good job. All right, let's try drilling this one out then, huh?
Yeah. Then I caught.
Did you catch it or did Mama catch it? I don't know. Oh, look at that. The holes line up now. I was wondering why those holes didn't line up. All right. Do you think you can finish putting these screws in?
Yep.
Go ahead, try.
Oh, got stuck.
No, it didn't get stuck. Push down on the screwdriver. Okay, Peter.
Yeah.
Watch. Hold the screwdriver like this. Look at my hand.
So hard.
Yeah, you want to hold at the top. Okay, now push down on it. Hang on, push down. Yeah, you're unscrewing it. Alright, but you're not holding it right, sweetie. You're not holding it right. Peter.
Get used to him.
Peter.
Let's get him to it.
Yeah, but then he's not going to get the power down on it. He needs to put it in.
She's not working.
I know, because you're not pushing down on it. I'll tell you what, let me put them in, okay?
Yeah, it's a little harder. Because this is harder wood, it looks like.
Okay, we got this on?
Yep.
Alright, now what?
Now, it's the time to put on the wheels.
I would think, yeah.
Yeah. Put the hitch on this one.
Okay, so let's see if we can put these wheels on, huh?
Yeah, and then we'll hammer in the puck. Can I try, Daddy?
Well, Mama says gently, so let me do them, okay? Okay? You can hand me the tires and the axle, though.
It's going to really be hot when it's done. Or stuff.
Yeah, why don't you hold it? There you go. Okay, now what do we got?
We got the trailer running.
Alright, now we gotta mark this one, right?
Yes!
So let's put this on here.
Yeah.
And
Hey,
Mama.
project failed.
That's okay.
Mama's printing failed.
Hey, get this.
Nah, it's not going to work.
No, super glue.
Super glue?
Yeah.
Hot glue.
No, hot glue won't work. Okay, so now we got this thing where we want it. Let's mark it. Ah!
Project has failed, you know.
The project did not fail. One of the axles failed.
Yeah. But project didn't fail. But now the axles failed.
Just one. No, wait a minute. That's not what we want, is it?
Yeah, I want that one. Hey! I can see the materials made out.
Yeah, look at that.
What's that kind of tree is, Mom?
That's the axis.
No, what you saw was this orange axle that we drilled into.
Yeah.
See it? Orange.
What are we trying? So this will break off on this.
No, I think we'll. So let's put these in. I'll put these in, okay? All right.
Can I hold the one?
You absolutely can hold it. That's your job right now.
I'll give you the screws and stuff.
Okay. Give me the other screw. We're gonna have to buy more screws, Petey. We're running out of little screws.
Yeah, because we need to build this project.
Well, this project we're fine. It's the 300 other projects that you put on your list that we have to do in the next week that we're gonna run out of screws on.
Oh, what about we need big screws for those?
Yeah, we got big screws. All right. Now what?
Well, now we need to fix our axle. Project failed. Project failed.
Yeah, it did. I can't even get this out. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to print another one.
Well, I'll see you later.
Or let's see if we can do something a little different. First off, let's try to get this one out, okay?
Alright.
What do you think?
Cause that's how you.
Well, I'm getting it out little by little, but it keeps breaking. So we need to put
Oh.
a new axle in, huh?
Yes. You can still we can make it out of plastic.
How are we gonna make it out of plastic without using a 3D printer?
Well, we can use garbage plastic.
Garbage plastic?
Yeah.
How are we going to print it without the garbage plastic without printing?
We just break the garbage plastic.
Connect your trailer. What is this doing here?
Okay.
Alright, let's connect the trailer.
Look
How
at that.
come that tire wobbles?
Because this is not big as this.
Oh, okay.
Well, I still can drive.
Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye. And please go to our channel.
Oh.
All channel. Click on our channel, and you will see all our videos we have made.
All, what, 3 of them?
All of our videos. Bye.